Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn NumPy array reshaping. This video comes under the NumPy series of videos. So let's begin. Reshaping arrays. Reshaping arrays means changing the shape of an array. The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. By reshaping, we can add or remove dimensions or change number of elements in each dimension. So here in this particular example, we are changing this NumPy array from one dimensional to two dimensional. So let's see. First I am going to run this thing. As you can see here, by seeing this one only, we can say this is a one dimensional NumPy array. So there is a trick. You just have to count the square brackets. Here we are having only one square bracket. That means this is a one dimensional NumPy array. So here you can see the outermost dimensional will have 4 arrays, each with 3 elements. So this is what we are changing. So here you can see this is a two-dimensional NumPy array. You can just count the number of square brackets here. There are 2. So here outermost dimensional will have 4 arrays, right? 1 array, 2 array, 3 array and 4th array, each with 3 elements. So we are having total 3 elements, right? Here reshape from one dimensional to 3 dimensional. So here you can see outermost dimensional will have 2 arrays that contains 3 arrays, each with 2 elements. So here outermost dimensional will have 2 arrays. So this is a one array and this is a another array, as you can see. So in this particular array we are having total 3 arrays. You can just call them 3 rows and 2 columns. Here also 3 rows and 2 columns. So here what we are defining, outermost dimensional 2 arrays. So this is the first and second, then 3 rows, 2 columns. So this is particularly a 3-dimensional NumPy array because we can just count these square brackets. That's a trick. We can reshape into any shape. Yes, as long as an elements required for reshaping are equal in both shapes, we can reshape an 8 elements 1-dimensional array into 4 elements in 2 rows 2D array, but we cannot reshape it into a 3 element 3 row 2-dimensional, as that would require 3 into 3 cross 3. Here first 3 is a number of rows and second 3 is a number of columns, equals to total 9 elements. Because when we are having only 8 elements, we can't shape them into a 9 elements array, right? Here you can see I'm just going to run this thing. We got an error. Here you can see number of elements are 1 2 3 4 5. We are having total 8 elements, but what we are doing the same thing here. Suggest here 3 rows and 3 columns, total 9 elements. We can't arrange, right? That's why it's throwing an error. Cannot reshape array of size 8 into shape 3, 3. Returns copy or view. Here you can see when we did the operation, like here we did the operation, right? We got this thing. This is a view or a copy. Let's check that. Let's run this thing. So here np.array of this thing, print arr.reshape this thing dot base. The example above returns the original array, so it is a view. When it returns the original array, that means that's a view. Okay. When it won't return original array, that's a copy. Now, unknown dimension. You are allowed to have one unknown dimension, meaning that you do not have to specify an exact number of one of the dimensions in the reshape method. Pass 1 as a value and NumPy will calculate this number for you. Here you can see, convert one-dimensional array with 8 elements to 3-dimensional array with 2 cross 2 elements. Here you can see I'm just going to pass -1 here. Let's check. We cannot pass -1 to more than one dimension. So that's the condition, right? You just have to remember that condition. So here number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 2, and it is divided into 2 particular dimensions. That means this is a 3-dimensional array. As you can see, you can just count these square brackets. Now we are moving to flattening the arrays. Flattening array means converting a multi-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array. We can use reshape of -1 to do this. So we are just going to convert this thing, convert an array into a one-dimensional array. So basically this is a 2-dimensional array. Let's convert this into a one-dimensional array. So we are just decreasing one dimension, like that you can think. So note, there are a lot of functions for changing the shapes of an arrays in NumPy, flatten, reveal, and also for rearranging the elements, ROT90, flip, flip LR, flip kid, etc. These fall under the intermediate to advanced sections of NumPy. So this is it. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.